Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set up dual WhatsApp in your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to Google Play Store and search with WhatsApp. First, you go to install WhatsApp in your phone. Then only you can create a dual app in your phone Nothing Phone One. Yes, I have installed WhatsApp. Then you go to install dual app. Dual app, click, just search dual app in your Google Play Store and go to this result, two accounts dual apps space. Just install this two. It's installing. And by the way, go to the home page and see here, this is original WhatsApp. And if you want to use another WhatsApp, what you got to do is you got to open that two accounts dual app space and click on agree and continue and give all permissions. And here you will see WhatsApp listed. Just click it and click on continue, give the permission, and again click on WhatsApp. And yes, another WhatsApp is opened now, and you can sign in here with another WhatsApp number. So in this way you can easily create two accounts of WhatsApp, and without signing out of each one you can use them. You can use both accounts in your phone Nothing Phone One. So this is called dual WhatsApp, and you can use dual WhatsApp in your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.